Hi, grade 12. It is time for mathematics, and welcome to Pursue Excellence Tutoring. At this time, we'll be looking at financial mathematics, and I'm advising you, boys and girls, be with me until the end of this video. Question 7.1. At what annual percentage interest rates, compounded quarterly, should a lump sum be invested in order for it to double in 6 years? Okay, what we need to do first is to write all the given information down. I will start by writing down the formula. Since it is given that this is compounded quarterly, I'm going to use the compound formula denoted as the value of A equal to P into 1 plus I to the power of n. This is the compounded formula. Then you might be asking yourself that where is the value of P here? Where is the amount invested? Okay, we are not given the actual size of that particular amount. So you're going to denote that letter P as the value of X, okay? And they said it is further given that the final amount that you are going to get after the period of these 6 years is going to be the double the amount invested. So in other way around, the value of A is going to be 2 times this X, okay? I hope it is favoring you all. So where there is this A now, I am going to put 2X. Where there is P, I will put X. Okay, the value of N, it is given, said is 6 years. I is the one that you are looking for. Okay, so let me substitute then. Let me substitute everything here. A is going to be 2x equal to P. I'm going to put it as x. 1 plus interest is the one that I'm looking for. Since it's given that is compounded quarterly, interest must be divided by 4. And n must be multiplied by 4. So it's going to be 6 times 4. Then what I'm going to do is to drop the x's, because you can see that on my left hand side I have x. So when we divide both sides by x, we are going to left with 2 equal to 1 plus I divided by 4 to the power of 24. Then I'm going to use the radical sign here. So when I use my radical sign here, I'm going to left with this 24th root of 2 equal to 1 plus I divided by 4. Of course, I will need to take this one to my left hand side. When this one goes to the left hand side, it's going to change the sign to becomes minus. So we are going to have this 24th root of 2 minus 1 equal to I divided by 4. To avoid rounding offs, remember in finance we have to round off at the final answer. Okay, so to avoid roundings off here, or to avoid writing a lot of digits, I'm just going to put this 24th root of 2 minus 1 inside the bracket, and I multiply both sides by what? By 4. If about to multiply both sides by 4, you can see that I am going to left with this 24th root of 2 minus 1 inside the bracket. So it's going to be 4 multiplied by this bracket equal to interest. Let's take it further. When we take it further here, it's a matter of us punching everything inside the calculator to get the interest. Let me put my interest on my left hand side. It's going to be 4 multiplied by this 24 the root of 2 minus 1, like this. So since this is representing percent, I need to multiply it by what? By 100. Okay, so you can take your calculator and punch whatever that it is giving here, or whatever that you are seeing here on the screen. Let me search mine here and punch everything and see the answer that I would get. It's 4 open bracket shift 24th root of 2. Okay, let me repeat that. 424 shift root of the 2, then I said minus 1 multiplied by 100 because this is a percentage. So it's going to be 11.721% per annum, compounded quarterly. This is how we calculate it, guys. 5 marks. Sure.